Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the custom instructions in ChatGPT. So as you can see, I'm now in ChatGPT, and if I want to use custom instructions, I need to open a sidebar on the left side of my screen. So as you can see, tap on this icon, open sidebar, and here you see all of your chats. You see that you can open a new chat, and you see your name in the left bottom of your screen, and then you need to tap on those three dots. And here you see logout, you see settings, and you see a new option called custom instructions. So you can tap on that. And as you can see, custom instructions, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So when you tap on this white box, you see thought starters, where are you based, what do you do for work, what are your hobbies and interests, what subjects can you talk about for hours, what are some goals you have. So for example, tell ChatGPT your name. For example, I'm James, for example, and I live in Amsterdam, and I'm a let's say an entrepreneur, for example, something like this, and then tell them your goals. You can even extend this with ChatGPT in a new chat. Tell them your hobbies. You can be really creative, and also you can say how would you like ChatGPT to respond. So again, you can see the thought stars, how formal or casual, how long or short do you want to be addressed, how do you want to be addressed, should ChatGPT have options on topics or remain neutral. So you can write or answer these questions right here, or you can tap on this one and then tap on learn more. And here you can, as you can see, custom instructions for ChatGPT. So here, the blog of ChatGPT, of OpenAI, gives you a bit of tips and tricks on how you can use this, and a bit of examples again, frequently asked questions, and you get to know a bit of more information about custom instructions. So for example, if I change my custom instructions in the middle of my conversation with ChatGPT, do I need to start a new chat to see changes reflected? And the answer, yes. So you can just get to know a little bit more. So as you can see, this works perfectly fine. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.